girl, hey. This is my Canon Rebel K2. Today I'm loading it up with a fresh roll of Fuji 400 film. First up, batteries. This camera takes two CR2 Lithium batteries, and once they're in, the screen comes to life. Then I crack open the back and grab my film. Thought it was something in there, thought wrong. Alrighty, and here we go. I pulled just enough to reach the take-up spool, making sure the holes line up with the sprockets. Then go ahead and close the back and let the camera do its thing. You'll hear it auto wind, and that's how you know it's ready. My iOS is set, we're locked in, and it's time to shoot.